Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. The main color that I use for this tablescape is orange. I'm just going to do a traditional table setting. And also, guys, I'm going to mix and match the colors because I love having fun decorate my dining table like this. Guys, make sure to watch your video till the end if you want to see how everything turns out. And everything that I use in the video, guys, I'm going to try my best to leave them in the description box down below. You can check them out. If you like the look, if you're to recreate it, or if anything you like, you can check the box down below.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. Don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it. But it's not easy, so tell me how to let go. Cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think. If you like it, if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. And I already take some time to welcome everyone that you to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, I do DIY, home decor, clean with me. Guys, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. Tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one.